Hi, in the last session, we talked about 5G core and 5G systems, and we briefly seen a comparison of 5G systems and 4G systems. And we discussed that how control plane and user plane separations or CUPS helps 5G technology to serve upcoming demand and new use cases. Now, in this session, we will be talking about 5G deployment options. So the question was that when 5G deployment will start, then how the network structures will looks like. So let's begin with 4G. In 4G deployment, the radio access network or RAN works with a 4G packet core or EPC core. This setup is known as option 1. Ideally, a 5G deployment would consist of a 5G RAN network which is connected to a 5G core, and this architecture is referred as option 2. However, the network cannot have that straight transition from option 1 to option 2. So in reality, 4G technology and 5G technology will work together in the system and they will complement each other for a reliable network, at least for the few years after 5G deployment starts in. So you also see in present time that 4G and 5G RANs are working together in a setup called dual connectivity, or generally referred as non-standalone network. In dual connectivity, the user equipment or UE communicates using two radio access technologies simultaneously. In dual connectivity, one radio access network technology serves as the master technology and the other act like a secondary technology. And the secondary RAT can either forward the traffic to the primary RAT or it can send it directly to the core network. The important note is that the control plane signaling can be only managed through the primary RAN. If LTE connected to the 4G core is the primary radio access technology and the new radio or NR is serving as a secondary radio access technology, then this setup is called ENDC or option 3. This configuration is especially useful when NR coverage is spotty. Wherever NR coverage is available, then the network can utilize NR or 5G performance by using it as a secondary carrier. In the later stages of 5G, when NR gets its full coverage or wider coverage than the LTE coverage, then NR can be used as your primary radio access technology, which will be connected to the 5G core. And then the LTE will act as a secondary radio access technology. Then this setup is known as option 4 or NEDC. Also, in future stages, while some 4G phones are still in use, or when 5G UE is in the location where there is only 4G radio coverage, then LTE could be used as a radio access technology but with 5G core. Then this is called option 5 or eLTE. eLTE is evolved LTE. That simply means that LTE has been upgraded to support the 5G core interface. In addition, when LTE is used as a primary radio access technology and NR as a secondary radio access technology, but they together with the 5G core, then it is called option 7. So the options with one single radio access technology, like option 2, are called standalone networks. And the options with two radio access technologies are called non-standalone networks, most commonly the option 3. Okay, so that's it for today. That was a brief about the 5G deployment options. In the next session, we will be talking about 5G RAN or 5G radio access networks. So stay tuned for the updates. If you did not subscribe till now, then please do subscribe to learn and grow community for regular updates. If this video is informative, then please like this video, comment on video, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.